Hi, William here. In this video, I'm going to review CommerceHQ and show you some of the features like the visual builder, the Accelerator app, and some of the features that are included with CommerceHQ. And then in a moment, I'll tell you how you can get the Pro plan that includes 6 stores and the Accelerator app and the Facebook training for the same price that everyone else is paying just for the startup plan, just for one store. So I'll show you that in just a moment. Now, CommerceHQ has been around since 2016, and I moved from Shopify to CommerceHQ because I was tired of Shopify going down. I kept having issues. I would be spending $1,000 a day on ads on Facebook, and they were going to my Shopify store and there was nothing there. So I found CommerceHQ and I switched over to them, and I wound up moving all of my stores over to CommerceHQ. I have nothing left on Shopify. Now, normally you have the regular CommerceHQ plan that includes one store, and you can find it here at CommerceHQ.com. You can see it includes the apps, so you pay nothing extra for the apps. You have your order management, your upsell campaign. Normally for your upsell campaigns in Shopify, you have to pay extra fees for the apps, for your upsell app. In CommerceHQ, you don't pay anything extra. They even have this visual store builder built in, and I'll show you that in just a moment. And there are 0 processing fees. So if you want to use something like PayPal, or if you're not in the United States and you're someplace where you can't do Stripe, you want to use 2Checkout or Payoneer or something like that, you'd have to pay fees to Shopify. Well, on CommerceHQ, you do not have to pay those. And when they say 99% uptime, they mean it. I haven't had any issue with my store being down, not once in the 4 years now that I've been using it. I'm going to click here on all these features. I just want to show you a few of these apps that are built in. You've got the one-click upsell. So after someone purchases, you can have this pop up right here and give them a discount if they add another product to their order. That's a neat feature. You can pick up a lot of sales with upsells just like that. You have an upsell campaign builder. So if you want to create special bundles or give a special discount, if they buy one item, give them another discount, or if they buy 2 products, you give them a third one free. They have that kind of upsell campaign builder built in, which is really nice. They also have this one here. This is the store-wide discount with the timer. So after they check out, you can give them a discount if they place another order within the next 15 minutes, for example. So that's a little bit different than the one-click upsell, where it will add it right to the cart to the same order. This is if they place another order. Then you have the scarcity app. So if you are running a special on a product, something you're running Facebook ads to, and you want to put an end time on there, you can put an expiration and set the hours, minutes, seconds, even days if you want. And you can even control the quantity that are left to add, scarcity to the product. Then you have the option on your checkout page to set it up in multiple steps if you want. So you could have everything. You could have step 1, they fill in their contact information. Step 2, their shipping address. Step 3, then their payout. Or you can have just everything show up at once. Another neat feature. You can test those out on your store, see which one works best. That's something that you cannot do on Shopify. Then you have the visual store builder, so you can make your store look however you want. You don't have to go buy expensive apps. Everything, you can build your own if you want. Plus, there are plenty of apps that are built into CommerceHQ. They have the abandoned cart recovery app already built in. Like I said, they have the 0 processing fees. They have an exclusive partnership with Custom Cat. So, if you want to add a Custom Cat to your Shopify store, you have to pay a monthly fee. Well, not with CommerceHQ. So if you want to sell t-shirts or mugs or hoodies, caps, anything like that, you can set that up and sell your print-on-demand products from Custom Cap. They have some very nice products. And that even set up even be automatic. So when you get orders come in for your print-on-demand products, you can set them to automatically process the very next day at 5 a.m. in the morning if you want. So that's great if you are taking vacation and you're not going to be there to process the orders. The app will take care of it for you. You can even set up gift cards just like Shopify, coupon codes. You can create unlimited coupon codes, give those, for like quantity discounts and things like that. Give them to customers if they message you and ask for a discount and things like that, or create coupon codes to share on the different social media platforms so you know where they come from. Or if you want to set up, if you're using influencers and you want to give them a special code, that way you can see all of the orders that they placed, especially if you're doing some kind of revenue share with them based on the orders. So you could just pull up all the orders that used a certain coupon code and you can see the dollar amount of the sales. So you could give a percentage to your influencers, which is nice. And they have the unlimited staff accounts, that you can only get in the more expensive, the $300 a month plan with Shopify. You can add unlimited products. You get unlimited file storage. So if you want to upload videos, files, images, things like that, you can upload those. You have the advanced reporting. That's something you only get in the more expensive Shopify plans. You have the related products app built in. You get the free SSL certificate. You have the inventory management. So if you are shipping out from a warehouse, you can control the inventory. You have the customer profiles. The same thing. You have that in Shopify. Pixel management. It's just like Shopify. You've got one field where you just copy your Facebook pixel and paste it in there. Very easy to do. Plus, they even have an area where you don't have to go into the code. So if you want to put your Google Analytics, your Pinterest, any other code that you want to put in, there's actually a place inside the admin area where you just copy and paste it in there. You have the CSV export builder, so you can export your files. If you're using a supplier that will take CSV files like CJ Dropshipping does, you just download the orders every day and send those to your supplier and they process them for you just like that. Very easy to do. And those are like the major things. I'll just show you the themes that are installed. So you have all of your themes and they are optimized for mobile devices. So you can see on here, they look beautiful on mobile devices. And especially if you're running Facebook ads, you get a lot of people coming on their mobile devices and you want it to look good. So they look fantastic when they get there. And they have all these different, this is the Blizzard theme, which is just a pre-built theme that you can choose. And it's very easy to swap out these images and make your store look exactly like this. I mean, as soon as you install it, this is actually what the theme looks like. This is the Montserrat theme. You've got your railway theme. You have your, I think this one's called the America. I can't remember the name of this one. It's not called America Shirts. I can't remember the name of it. Then you have the vintage theme and another Montserrat theme. And we're back to Blizzard. And all these themes also have a visual builder version. So you have the standard theme, which if you're just starting and you don't want to mess around with the technical stuff, just choose one of these pre-built themes here. You can see all of them down here. Just choose one that's pre-built. If you want to get into the technical stuff, you can go in there and build your own theme and modify these. But you can do that, they have a staging area. So you can go ahead and publish your store with one of the pre-built themes and start running ads to it while you're building your own theme in the background. Then when you're ready, you just switch the theme out. It's very, very easy to do. And that's the themes. And I'll just show you the Visual Store Builder real quick. This is what the Visual Store Builder looks like. Like I said, you can build based off of a theme that's already in there, or you can build it all from scratch however you want. It's very easy. You pick what you want and you just drag it over to the page. And this is a page. It was actually built with the Visual Builder. Looks very good. You put your reviews in there just like you would have reviews. And this is the Reviews app, which is it's a beautiful reviews app. I used to use an app on Shopify called Loox, and this is very similar to the Loox app. And also what you can do with the Reviews app is it works just like Loox. So you can email automatically on the date, however many days after the order that you choose, and you can offer your customers a discount if they upload an image or a video, right? So you can I'm not sure about the video, but the image, yes. If you can offer them a 20% discount if they upload an image, and the system knows automatically, so you don't have to go check it. It comes into the system. We check ours just to make sure there's nothing offensive in there. So the orders come in, my VA checks them. If they're decent, then my VA will post those to the page. So it's very, very nice app that they have built in there. And you can collect any information you want. So if you're selling apparel, you can ask them about the fit. How did it fit? The length and things like that. So it's a very good visual builder, very good review app that's built in. And like I said, the pricing, you have 3 different pricing. If you go to the CommerceHQ store, you're going to find this right here. This is the CommerceHQ store. If you want one store, it's going to cost you $99 a month. If you want one store on Shopify, you can start for as little as $29 a month, but it's basic. So you can only have 2 staff accounts and no professional reports, no report builder. So you can see it's limited compared to what their other plans are. So you can look at that. That's the Shopify pricing. CommerceHQ also has these. But the thing about Shopify, you cannot have more than one store on your account. I mean, you have to pay for each store. You can have 2 on one account, but they're separate stores, separate logins, and actually separate accounts, but you can log into both with your one account. But you do have to pay for them separately. Not only do you have to pay for them separately, but you have to pay for the apps separately also. So if you have the basic plan and you have the upsell app that's $50 a month, and you have the scarcity app that's $15 a month, and you have the abandoned cart app that's $10 a month, well, all those things add up. And I did another video where I compare the pricing on Shopify, the Shopify pricing and the CommerceHQ pricing, and you could check out that video. But on Shopify, you have to pay for each store that you have. So if you have 2 stores, you have to pay this times 2, and you have to pay your apps times 2. So already, if you plan on having more than one store, you might as well go with CommerceHQ because it's going to be less expensive. But I'm going to show you in a minute how you can get 6 stores, this plan here, Pro, for the same price as the $99 a month. And it also includes some other features. So let me just show you that now. So this is what they call, this is John Mack's e-commerce accelerator program. And when you go to this page, I'll put a link down in the description. You can watch this little video here. He shows of some of the students and how well they're doing. The e-commerce accelerator comes with 20 video lessons on how to set up and launch your store. And then you even have weekly live Q&A calls with John Mack and some of the other people on the staff. And you can see right here, the e-commerce accelerator plus CommerceHQ, $99 a month. And what you get right here, you can see right there, you get the visual builder and all the training right here, 6 store plan on CommerceHQ. Normally $299 a month, just like I showed you. You can get it for just $99 a month with the training. And we haven't even talked about the Accelerator app. I'll show you that in just a moment. You also get in addition to the training and the 6 stores, you get all of the high definition training, the videos that John Mack recorded himself, along with the MP3 recordings. So if you want to listen to it while you're driving, you can listen to those. He has a 100% results guaranteed for action takers guarantee. If you launch your store and follow all the training and do not get a sale within the first 60 days of launching and going through the training, he'll give you a full refund. And in addition to that, you can cancel your subscription anytime you want. It's very easy. You don't have to do anything. You just go in and just click on a button and cancel. So you don't have to follow up with them and wonder if you're going to be able to cancel, if they're going to keep charging your card. They won't do that. And in the lessons, this is a very valuable training course because you're getting the entire training. This is something that Shopify does not offer you. And another thing, CommerceHQ was built by John Mack. He's a marketer. He started off in drop shipping, actually doing the print-on-demand T-shirts. He was on Teespring, and he moved to drop shipping products. And he had this built because he was tired of Shopify going down. So he had it built. And he does the training on how to launch a store. So you've got building the store, which is very easy with the Accelerator app. It's a step-by-step wizard. I think there's 6 steps, and you can have it up in an hour. He goes through branding, how important branding is, the store layout, the checkout flow, setting up the product page, the cart, and the checkout page to increase conversions, setting up your abandoned cart emails. You want to do that. You can get a lot of sales coming back that way. And then selecting products to put on your store, and finding how to find a winning product, how to do the product research, tips for how to stay profitable, calculating your profit on your products, how to do the print on demand. So if you want to sell T-shirts, hoodies, and other things like that, he covers that. He also covers, the Facebook algorithm. This is the launching the Facebook ads. It's very, very important. So it's not only is it a drop shipping and print on demand training, it's also a Facebook ads training. It teaches you how the algorithm works, how to do custom audiences, how to do your targeting, how to scale up your winners, how to retarget people who visit your store. So if someone comes to your store and looks at a product, you can show them the same product that they saw in your store using the dynamic product ads. So he shows you how to do that in there. Then he shows you how to outsource. So this is very important. Once you start, making a lot of sales, you'll want to outsource the work, especially the work that you don't want to do, because there will be parts of this that you may not like, and you can hire it out. Most of this, how to build your team. That's your, who do you need to hire? I started with a customer service person because I got tired of dealing with the emails, checking those every day, checking my Facebook post to make sure there was nothing bad on there, and getting rid of the, spam and stuff like that. That is something important. That was the first thing that I wanted to get rid of. And then, you get to the point where you want to hire a project manager so you can run the store. It'll be hands off for you. And then you can be involved however you want, but you could have a project manager running the whole thing for you. And he talks about that in there, how to do it. And then communicating with your customers, communicating with your suppliers, communicating with your staff and all that stuff, your virtual assistants. He covers all that in there. It's a very important part. And planning. So planning, what are your goals? How much do you want to make? How much should, so you can plan on how much you want to make. He shows you how to break it down. He's a very savvy business person and taught me a lot about making sure my business was profitable. So it's a very, very valuable lesson right there. And we have the testimonials here. There I am. So you can come in here and you can listen to me there if you want. So this was back in 2016 when I met John Mack, and you can watch that video. And the one thing that is not showing here is the Accelerator app. So what the Accelerator app does is it has a product base, a product database. Right now there are over 1,600 products inside of the Accelerator app. And he has already done the research on the products. He has the product descriptions written for you. He has product videos ready to run to Facebook ads. He has the ad copy already written. He has the Facebook ad targeting already done. And even has the suppliers. So all you have to do is go into the Accelerator app and pick a niche. And actually, I did another video showing the Accelerator app. You can check that out. And you just one click, add it to your store. And then there's one click to download the video. Then you just go up and open Facebook Ads Manager and just start copy and pasting. Copy the ad copy, go paste it into Facebook, upload the video that you just downloaded from the store, copy the link from your store, paste that in to your Facebook ad. Anyway, the training is in there. It shows you exactly how to do it all, but you don't have to do anything. Everything is written for you. The ad copy, the product description, the product research is done. The product is already found. He shows you how much to charge, how much it costs, how much your profit is going to be. And most of those products in there will give you a 60 to 70% profit margin. So I hope you found value in this video. And be sure and check out my other videos here on the channel. They're all about drop shipping and e-commerce and how to make your drop shipping business more fun, more profitable, and all the other videos I have on there on Facebook ads and everything else. I think you'll enjoy those. So be sure and subscribe to the video. Leave me a comment down in the comments and let me know what niche you're thinking about, and I'll give you some feedback. I try to read all the comments and respond to every one. So leave me a message down there and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. This is William. It's been the Dropshipping Report.